Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Just wanted to jump into active hours trading to update you guys on a swing trade that I just executed. And as you can see here, it's live trading currently with the white background. And you can see a lot of volatility in the portfolio right now. At one point up 1,800 before trending back into the red, negative 119, bouncing back up to 211.16, and then it's been trending down ever so slightly. A lot of that has to do with Portola here, currently up 3.94%, actually 2.75%. But you can see here in the morning, early morning hours, 5.17, then trending back down here, negative 1.3, up 5.6% or so, then ever so slightly trending back down again. As you guys know, it had the very strong performance on Friday, passing FDA approval with one of its drugs in that process. Following the approval of that drug, you can see it shot up from 38 to 56 or so, and then it's been kind of going up and down, trending up ever so slightly. A lot of you guys have had questions whether I'm going to sell off and lock in that profit or hold for the longer term, and I think I'm going to hold. The company still has two products awaiting FDA approval. One of the products is a much more influential product than the one that was just passed, and you can see here that product boosted the price from 38 to 56 or so, at one point 59, almost $60. And the other product, it's first of its class, one-of-a-kind product. It's a billions of dollars in revenue product by itself. So I think I'm going to be holding through either that decision or a merger and acquisition. This is a smaller tech bio company. As you can see here, $3.2 billion currently. Before this big jump in the price of the stock, it was around $2 billion. But this is a prime candidate for a merger and acquisition with a much larger pharmaceutical company. Most pharmaceutical companies are 150 to 200 billion. This is only 2 to 3 billion currently. So I can definitely see this being acquired. If it is acquired, I believe the price of the stock would probably be 120 to 140. And if that other product is passed without an acquisition and merger, I think the price of the stock will definitely exceed $150, $160. But again, that is a longer term perspective here. That may take a year or a year and a half to get to that point, maybe even longer. But I do think this company has some very good prospects moving forward. But the whole reason I wanted to jump into the portfolio is show you guys a swing trade I just completed here. Ford, as you guys know, I do a lot of swing trading with Ford. Currently trending up today, 11.19, currently 1.33% up. Over the last week, you can see here, very predictable dip and rebound, and I've really been playing the stock for almost a year now. Buying the dip, selling the rally, buying the dip, selling the rally. And this is a perfect stock because it's a low price stock. It's essentially kind of like a penny stock in that it's a very low price stock. I can buy lots of shares, but it's also a blue chip stock that's kind of fallen out of favor with investors. So it's not as risky as penny stocks. It can also be bought as a contrarian investment as well. So if I need to hold this for the longer term, I'm more than happy to do that. It's got a great dividend yield, and in a contrarian sense, this may even bounce back up to where it was in 2014 or 13. And really, if this had kept pace with General Motors, for example, this stock should be probably trading $20 plus. But that's kind of a whole different story. But I wanted to show you guys what's on the bottom here. My swing trade with limit buy there on the 23rd, 57.61. You can see that here, and then I went ahead and sold off today. 11.19. So very, very good day of swing trading. It looks like I just jumped in right at the right time here. It looks like it's trending back a bit. So we'll kind of see how this plays out here. If it does dip below, I'd say probably below 11.05 or so, I'm going to be buying back. Really, if it trends down below 11.10, I'll probably buy back as well. Not necessarily the price that I had envision starting out here. As you can see here, 11.03, 11.02, so I think 11.05 would be the perfect price to buy back. But we'll just kind of see how this plays out. But again, I just wanted to jump into the portfolio, show you guys the swing trade here with Ford, update you guys on Portola, kind of show you some of the volatility that's been happening after that big upswing on Friday. We'll kind of see how this plays out. Maybe this will start ticking back up again. I hope it does. But again, Portola will be a little bit longer play, so if it does trend down here a bit, not too worried about that. I'll be holding a little bit longer term. But let me know what you guys are doing with your portfolios. Any good swing or day trades, let me know. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate your guys' support. Building the channel, having a ton of fun putting out these videos, learning a ton from all your guys' suggestions. Please keep those coming. Definitely want to read up on new aspects, new trading methods, anything really. If you have any good constructive criticism for the channel, let me know. And if you guys have any good penny stocks as well, I'm going to be building a portfolio of about 20 to 30 penny stocks to have a little bit of fun with, trade, kind of join in with you guys. I may put out a few videos where you guys can select the penny stock to buy, and we'll kind of trade along together and see if we can't make some money and have some fun. So that'll be something I'll develop, probably a little bit different video series. I might just do a completely separate video series with that. Again, just to have some fun and some interaction to get you guys involved. So again, did a swing trade today. We'll see how the portfolio pans out today. I'll do a little bit later video here. Seeing if we end in the green or not. Portola can be very, very volatile here. I think it's probably going to be very, very volatile, but we'll kind of see how that plays out. Yeah, until next video, we'll see you then.